it's me, Allegra. I have some new makeup 2024 here today to test out and try with you beauties. So if you love brow products, I have some new Milk Makeup brow products to test out. I also have the new Natasha Denona Golden Palette that we can test out together and see if it's worth your money. So I also do have some new Huda Beauty. This is the pressed powder version of her viral cherry blossom powder. I didn't realize, but this is talc-free powder. So I'm super excited to test it out because I love everything, well, powder's talc-free. So I do have a few other things as well, but let's go ahead and dive right in. So Milk Makeup was good enough to send me PR of their new brow products, and they also do have a new tubing mascara. So this is how it came, beautifully packaged. And there are a lot of different shades to choose from. I already just took out a few, and then there was the special secret stash inside. So the brow product does come in 8 long-lasting shades, or they say let's test it out and see for ourselves. There's also the new Kush tubing mascara, which is supposed to give 24 hours of volume and length. So if you'd like to enter to win one of these brow products for yourself, again, this is a tinted brow product from Milk Makeup, then just be a subscriber and comment #GlamFam down below, or just let me know that you'd like to enter to win. Also let me know which shade that you would like, because there are 8 different shades. So write down below which shade will be best for you. This way I, pick one of you beauties or a few of you beauties to win, and I send you out the right shade. But for myself, I'm going to try the shade Cypher, which is a black brown. So let's go ahead and test it out. Now, I am obsessed with brow products. I really, like so many people, I just think brows make your face. They just make the hugest world of difference in how you look. So now my initial impression, this is a larger sized applicator, which hopefully that will work out for me because yeah, so far it's working out. They do look thicker already. So wow, I'm really surprised at how the product is not getting all over my face. A lot of these tinted brow gels, I really don't like them. I usually just go for clear because a lot of times the brow product, the colored ones, will just wind up transferring on my face, and I just, it just gets all over. It's messy. So this is not doing that. I don't know how they did it, but this formulation is not getting all over, and oh my goodness, my brows look huge. Is it too much? Is it too much, you guys? It looks like a lot of brow. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this up, but wow. That is crazy how much brow it gave me. It's just like, honestly, my initial impression is that it's too much. It's too much brow. Is that possible? Because, you see people online and they just have so much brow and it looks amazing. But for me, I just feel like this looks very crazy. Cray cray. I'm just not used to it. Oh my goodness. It's like too much. But, I'm going to clean them up, fix them up. They feel pretty budget proof. So that is really nice. It doesn't feel like they're going anywhere. I think that I would actually need a lighter shade. So I'm going to try, a shade 1 up for the next eye. Let's try to do that. But this is a lot. Wow. This is a lot of brow. I feel like this is just too much for me and what my face can maybe handle. This is so much brow. Wow. Oh my goodness. And now they're like, now that it's really dry, they're like glue. They're not going anywhere. I can't even manipulate them into shape anymore. They're just not budging. I don't know what I'm gonna do, you guys. I feel like, I actually feel like taking this off. I don't even know if this could be salvaged. Wow. This is why, this is why testing out makeup is, you don't know what, I don't know. You never know what you're gonna get. I'm gonna have to do some work here to clean this up because I'm not used to this much brow. So I have to do a little work here. Fix these puppies up. I'm gonna keep cleaning it up and working on this, and then I'll be right back, and I'll try a lighter shade. Look at that. I'm gonna try a lighter shade on this eye. Guys, I'm back. I just, put some concealer around the brow to kind of clean it up. But these brows are seriously budge proof. They're not going anywhere. Now, I feel like I've never seen anything like it. But they say they're going to be easy to remove. But right now, this is so perfect for summer because these aren't moving. Now, maybe I should do my regular brow routine, which is I personally like to pencil in my brows and then set with a little bit of brow gel. But I'm gonna try a different shade though. Right now I'm gonna try Diesel, which is brown black. This one was Cypher, was black brown. So, and I'm thinking you only need a little bit of product. I didn't realize how powerful this was. So yeah, this looks way better if you just use a little bit of product. I think, you know, I use too much. Because yeah, that looks way better actually. The first time I did that scrubbing type of technique, and you do not need to do that with this brow product because it will give you a lot with just a little bit. So that's where I went wrong, I see now, because that looks really nice. I think that looks much more natural. And you know, actually I think that what I'm gonna do in the future is do my regular brow routine, which is to pencil them in first, and then I'll set them with the brow gel. Because I know a lot of people do their brows like this, but me, I just prefer to do it the way that I like to do it, which is, again, pencil them in first. But this brow tinted brow gel, your brows are not going to budge. I mean, I really can't believe it. Once it dries down, it hasn't dried down yet, it takes like a minute. You can't even maneuver them anymore. They're not going anywhere. It's like you cannot even see. I'm even now still trying to take this one down and you can't. You would need makeup. Oh, I should use makeup remover, right? Because it's just not coming off. So let me go ahead and use my pencil now just to try to shape these better. And then we'll try out, which we try next. We'll try out the palette, the Natasha Denona Golden Palette next. I'll be right back. Here's where we're at. Hopefully they don't look too mismatched because, you know, they're two different colors. But I'm just going to go ahead now and take some of this Charlotte Tilbury. I believe this is a color corrector. It's #1. But actually, this is such a beautiful product and conceals your under eye circles beautifully. And it also makes a gorgeous eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to put this on my eye before we're going to put on the shadow from Natasha Denona. So here it is. Oh, it's very lightweight too, which is very nice. The packaging in itself is not heavy, so that's great to travel with. There are so many gorgeous nude tone shades. I mean, I don't know, of course, how they would translate to a deeper complexion. I know on me they were pretty much nude tones that, you know, they complemented my skin tone, but if you're very deep, I wonder how these would look on you.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
But I'm gonna dip into this shade here. It's called Flesh, and we'll just put that in the crease. So yeah, that is gorgeous. Wow, so creamy. You know, this is perfect for year round, but especially in the summer, these kind of golden tones are just absolutely beautiful. So this is great. And I'm just gonna smudge some of this shade Sandstone under my lower lashes. And now I'm just going to dip into one of these gorgeous shimmer shades. How about this one called Fizzy? Some of these, they really just look so much more beautiful with your finger. And I'm just going to take a little bit deeper shade here. This is called Teak. And I'm just going to use that on the outer portion. Yeah, this is just absolutely gorgeous. So effortless. You could definitely wear this every day or just bump it up and make it a little bit more intense for night. So this is gorgeous. I mean, look at how easily it blends one shadow into the other. So you can do your makeup so quickly on the go, or just, you know, just not spend a lot of time doing your eyeshadow. You'll just look gorgeous almost instantaneously. And oh wow, I love this because look at how it's concealed my hooding in seconds. So for me, an eyeshadow like this is an essential because I really like to conceal my hooding. And this shade here, Teak, just concealed it in a second. It's like I got plastic surgery. Wow, that's beautiful. I mean, right there, because I do like to run a bronzer through my crease for myself to conceal the hooding because otherwise it looks saggy. So if you're like me and you like to conceal your hooding or just make your eyes look more wide awake and larger, but you don't really want to wear an eyeshadow, this is an essential. It's really going to help you look more wide awake. It's going to conceal your hooding. So if you're like me, sometimes I will feel insecure with my hooding kind of being a little saggy. So this palette here just totally concealed the hooding, made my eyes look more wide awake. I cannot wait. I'm going to LA soon. I'm definitely going to bring this palette with me because when we're in LA, we visit friends, we go out a lot, and this is going to make it so easy to get ready, to feel confident, to feel good about myself, to feel like I don't look tired, because that's when my hooding is really saggy. I feel like it gives me a tired look. So this will take that away and give you a more wide awake look if you're like me. And have hooded eyes. This palette is seriously a dream. So I'm not gonna do too much else because I just want to show you how the palette performs on its own, because of course you could always add some liner, but I just want to show you how it looks on its own. I don't think you even need anything else. It did everything. It did the most, so you don't really need to do anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead now and just put on some mascara. I do have the new Milk Makeup tubing mascara. So let's try that out. Oh, wow. Okay. That was a surprise. Definitely gives you length. Wow. This is seriously definitely giving lashes for days. And while the mascara is wet, you want to go in and build up. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just adding another coat. But what do you guys think? Do you see a difference? I don't have a lot of lashes, so this is seriously giving me all the lashes a girl could want or need. So this is flipping amazing. Oh, and I just noticed, it's not transferring into my hooding, which is amazing because I think it's the Gucci mascara that really gets all over my face. I transfer into my hooding and it will splash onto my face. So while that was a beautiful mascara, I mean, I still have it. I would love to use it, but I can't use it if I'm in a hurry because there's a good chance it will transfer into my hooding. Whereas you can see right here, this mascara, you can really do your makeup. You don't have to worry that it's going to splash onto your face or transfer into your hooding because it's just not doing that. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this. Wow. So now I have here this Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt. I believe this is called Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. Now I did try this the other day and I really liked it. So I didn't realize though, I used it the other day with a brush. I pumped it onto my hand, but I saw the ad on a bus, and then I saw that you can take the other end if you want, so you don't have to. I was doing it like this the other day. I'll try to insert a clip. I think I made a little reel or something like that, but you can take it straight out of the bottle like this and apply it to your face. And I really liked this when I used it the other day. I just want to show you again how it came out because I think it was really beautiful, although very, very natural looking. Seems to warm your face up, very natural. But let's keep it moving, guys, because I'm very excited to test this out. I am so happy this is talc free because I love Huda powders, but I didn't want to use them. I only want to use talc free. But this new one, and maybe all of hers are talc free now, I'm not sure, but I know this one is talc free. The pressed one, Easy Bake and Snatch from Huda Beauty. And I do have on right now the e.l.f. setting powder, which is talc free, but this is that kind of pink tone. And actually I have tried this in store, I believe, yes, but it was sold out. Everything is always sold out. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, everything is always sold out at my Sephora's. So any Sephora I go to here in New York, is it like that for you guys? But I go all over because I go to my husband's business, to my business in Brooklyn. Sold out. You can't even get on the line. There's a line out the door. And I go where my doctor is in Scarsdale, New York, and everything was sold out. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe it. It comes out much more natural in the powder, in the pressed form. If you use a velour sponge, I guess it will come out more, intense, but let's try it just for fun. But this is the look that I actually like now. So here it is. Yes, with a velour sponge, you're definitely going to get that really brightened under eye look, which this looks so good, guys. I can't believe it. I love it. Okay, this is seriously one of my best purchases 2024. These two so far, best purchases of 2024. You know, let's just put a little bronzer on top just to bring everything together. But this is actually a blush that I'm using right here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is called the Climax. So this is a blush, but for me, it's kind of like a bronzer. So, okay, let's keep it moving. I'm just going to use a little bit of this to contour my nose even. And this is the new Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio. I did swatches with this. I mean, this is gorgeous. There's no words for how beautiful. And I think I tried it with You Beauties, but I also have her Skin Beautifier product. Wow, look at that. That skin beautifier that she came out with is amazing. I did some videos, but I'm not sure if I uploaded them or not because I've been so busy with my work, with my, you know, day job. I have to run my husband's, or we have a business, you know, or I consider it his business because he's, you know, in charge of everything. And I just, you know, I feel like I just, you know, do all the helping. But this is gorgeous. I'm just using the shade now, Pearl. So how beautiful. Wow. I'll put some here. Okay, let's put on a quick lip. Now I do have a few different options here. Oh, I got this new lip liner. This is, and I'm going to probably say this wrong. This is from Farah Hamidi, I believe. I'm probably saying that wrong. Smudge and Contour Lip Pencil. So this is made in Japan. Looks like it came with it's a beautiful blue sharpener, and then the pencil, oh, is beautiful too. It's a beautiful blue color. The packaging, so nice. Let's go ahead and test this out. This is so creamy, and the color is so beautiful. Let me see here. What color did I get? This is gorgeous. Wow, if you love nude lip liner or just lip liner in general, definitely check these out. These are new at Sephora. This one is called Minky. I was wondering, I think they were sold out. I was wondering why they were sold out because I said, what could be different about a nude lip liner? But wow, this is different. It's amazing. It feels like it's not going to come off. It feels like it's going to be long lasting. And then I'm not going to put a lipstick on, but I do have the Natasha Denona. This is the Golden Glimmer Gloss. So let's just put a little bit of this on so we can see how it looks with the lip liner. So beauties, this is the finished look. It's actually been a few hours later. The battery on my camera died, so the makeup has kind of settled in. For example, the powder has kind of, you know, melted more into my skin. It is so beautiful. I'm so glad that I picked it up. That is definitely a winner. And this eyeshadow palette is absolutely stunning. This lip liner is gorgeous. And it is very long lasting because I've had it on for a few hours now with the gloss, with the Natasha Denona gloss, and it's all stayed perfectly. So of course I didn't eat though, but you know, just wearing it, it has stayed. But these Kush products, these Milk Makeup, the mascara, absolutely stunning. And these brows, I can't get over. They're not going anywhere, totally budge proof. This is definitely my new favorite brow product. I've been obsessed with the Too Faced laminating brow product, which also makes your brows budge proof, but this is definitely more budge proof than that one. So you can just tell as soon as it dries down within a minute, they're just not going anywhere. And so I absolutely love this. Now don't forget to enter today's giveaway for one of these Milk Makeup brow products for yourself. Let me know your brow shade down below, and I'll be going through and picking a few of you to take home some of the brow products that I didn't use, because there is 8 shades. I only used 2, so the other shades will go to one of you beauties. And you know, I am wearing the Natasha Denona gloss. It's very beautiful. I guess it's very long lasting. It hasn't come off, but I don't think that that is definitely a must have. But definitely this lip liner is stunning, and I'm so glad that I picked that up, and I could not recommend it more. If you're a lip liner lover, definitely pick one up. You will not be disappointed. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know what you think of these new makeup products 2024. Are you going to be picking any of these up for yourself? How do you feel about the Natasha Denona palette, the new golden palette? Let me know. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.